Imagine sitting quietly in your home. Then suddenly, the floor begins to shake, walls crack, and buildings sway. The ground you've lived your whole life starts moving. It feels as if the earth itself has come alive. But why?
Why does a solid planet suddenly shake with such force? The answer lies deep beneath your feet. Although Earth looks like one giant solid rock, it isn't.
The outer shell, the lithosphere, is broken into tectonic plates. There are 7 major plates and many smaller ones. These plates are constantly moving.
Very slowly. About 2 to 10 centimeters a year, like your fingernails growing. Because it's so slow, you never notice it. But over years, decades, even centuries, that tiny movement builds incredible pressure. The edges of tectonic plates aren't smooth but rough. They lock together like sandpaper. Even as the plates try to move, friction holds them. Pressure keeps building. Until suddenly, the rocks can no longer withstand the stress. They snap. In seconds, enormous stored energy is released. That energy travels as seismic waves. Those waves are what we feel as an earthquake. The rock's breakpoint underground is called the focus. Directly above it, on the surface, is the epicenter. The closer you are to it, the stronger the shaking.
Earthquakes are measured on the moment magnitude scale. Each whole number is about 32 times more energy than the last. An 8.0 releases roughly 32 times more energy than a 7.0.
And about 1,000 times more than a 6.0. The largest ever recorded struck Chile in 1960. It measured 9.5 inches magnitude. Shaking lasted around 10 minutes in some areas. It generated a massive tsunami across the Pacific. Can earthquakes be predicted? The honest answer? Not yet. Scientists know regions more likely to have earthquakes. They can estimate long-term probabilities. But no one can predict the exact day or hour. Scientists can detect early seismic waves and send warnings. These may give seconds, sometimes tens of seconds of notice, enough time to take cover, stop trains, or pause events. Earthquakes aren't signs the Earth is angry. They're part of how our planet works. The same forces build mountain ranges and shape continents.
Earthquakes have shaped human history for centuries. In 1556, disaster struck Shaanxi, China. An estimated 830,000 people died.
It remains the deadliest earthquake ever recorded. In 1906, San Francisco was leveled by a massive quake. Fires that followed caused even more destruction than the shaking. In 1960, the strongest quake ever measured, a magnitude 9.5, felt worldwide. In 2004, an undersea quake near Sumatra shook the Indian Ocean. The tsunami killed over 230,000 people. It remains one of the deadliest disasters in modern history. In 2011, Japan was hit by the Tohoku earthquake.
A magnitude 9.0 quake triggered a massive tsunami. It remains the most powerful earthquake in Japan's history. Each of these events changed how we build, warn, and prepare.
Subscribe to The Wise, where every question opens the door to a new discovery. Because every answer begins with one word: why?